This is not a drill. This is your boy Pete from Airkewld. Today going live stream for the PRObuilt chassis raffle number drawing. So completely raw footage, nothing can be edited. This is me taking this video with my iPhone here. And we're trying to go through the basics, let the viewership count raise as we get more viewers involved. And the cat. The cat is involved too. Okay. All right. So let me kind of go over a couple things. This is a year-long raffle. Built a 67 chassis, as you've seen in all the videos. Hope you are able to purchase at least one ticket. We went through 3 rolls of raffle tickets, and we have created a system in our terms and conditions that talk about our how we're going to do this drawing. One drawing per roll with our random.org number generator, and those 3 numbers will then put into another drawing 1 through 3, and we will have a winning number. So that's how we're doing it. That's how our terms are set up. So that's how we're going to do it. So I guess we can just get right to it now. Let me kind of showcase what we're going to do. We have our first roll numbers here. We have our second roll numbers here. We got our third roll numbers here. Once we get all 3 of those numbers, we're going to put those numbers here, and we're going to do another random.org number generator 1 through 3. And each one of those is associated with one of those numbers. And then we'll have a winning number. Obviously, live stream is going to be a little bit different to, look that number up, because I'm not that advanced. So I'm going to look up who owns that ticket number, and then we can call that person. If they're international and it's like midnight, I don't think they want me to call, or 2 o'clock. So we'll figure that one out if and when it comes. And then we'll do a little video announce. We'll show the phone call. Go from there. So let's get started. So our first numbers are 589-9146, 590-1139. And son, you want to hit the button, hit the click?
Yep.
Whoops, I gotta go over here. All right, so that's our first number. 5900592.
Okay.
All right, now we're gonna go to our second number, 999-032, 999-233. Okay, so now we're gonna go here, edit this, 999-0322, and 999-2330. And my son's gonna do the magic click again. 999, whoops, over here. 999-1727. And now we're gonna go back to our third roll. And we're gonna put 579-0712 and 579-2536. And we're gonna generate, hold on. Generate the next one. Click it. 579-0772. All right, 3 numbers are chosen. There's 1 and 3. And the winner is 3579072 is the winner. Let's circle that one. So, I'm gonna look that up, and then we'll get back with who the winner is. I hope you all had happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and if you have this winning ticket, congratulations! I'm super stoked for you. We'll be doing another video to announce the winner and the phone call. Merry Christmas, everybody! Hope you're having happy holidays. Talk to you soon. So excited! So, we found the winner, and the tickets were purchased 14 days ago, and he ordered 10 tickets. I don't know how many else he totally purchased, but the winner is in Newark, Delaware, and we're gonna give him a call right now. I'm not gonna say his last name, but his name is Joe. So let's give Joe a call. I'm gonna put it on speaker.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Is Joe available?
This is he.
Hey Joe, you know who this is?
Yes, I do. How you doing, Pete?
I'm doing good. You know what this call's about?
I'm hoping so.
Congratulations, Joe. You won the chassis.
Fantastic, man. I'm excited. Thank you so much.
I got tingles, dude. I got tingles.
I have more than that. Thank you so much. That's fantastic.
Awesome. So what are you gonna put this under? Like, what are you gonna do with it? Like, what's the plan? Do we have a plan?
We have a plan. I want to try to find a 63 body.
Okay.
To put on it.
Okay.
It's just the year I was born, so we'll try to get something like that. If I can get one with a rag top, that'd be great. But
All right.
that's probably what I'll be looking for. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect chassis for that.
I hope I didn't spoil any other gifts you got today. But if it did,
I think this tops it. So.
right. Awesome. I'm so happy for you, Joe. I appreciate you participating in this raffle, and we'll talk a little bit more Monday when everybody's back in, and we'll figure out how we're gonna get the chassis be united with you.
All right, that sounds great. Man, I'm excited. Thank you so much.
No problem, Joe. And I don't know if you caught it on Livestream, but we did it on Livestream. And winning ticket was purchased 14 days ago.
Oh, no way. Wow. Okay.
So I don't know. Do you know how many times you participated in purchasing tickets?
Yeah, I did 10 every month, and then I did an extra one, I guess it was about 14 days ago. Yep.
Wow. Lucky day.
And that extra one was the lucky one. So
Right.
That was great.
Right? Perfect.
Absolutely.
Well, we appreciate you being a part of the PRObuilt chassis raffle, and I can't wait to see your face when you see this amazing chassis. And happy holidays to you and your family as well.
Thank you so much. You also appreciate it.
No problem. We'll talk to you soon.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you, Pete.
All right, take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Joe out of Newark, Delaware, the winner of the PRObuilt chassis raffle. Super excited. Next year, what do we got in store? Tune in to find out.